This dance is called Roadhouse Rock. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting off on our right foot. Stomp the right forward. That's through the heel, not through the flat of the foot. Save some of those vibrations going through your body, so it's through the heel. Also helps if you angle your toe slightly to the left, because we're now going to fan that toe. So the heel stays in place and the toe will move to the right, to the left, to the right. So we're fanning that toe. Do exactly the same with the left foot. So stomp the left forward. Again, angle the toe slightly to the right this time. Fan the toe, left, right, left. So that little section again, off on that right foot. 7, 8. Stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. From here, we're going into a rocking chair. Leading with the right foot, so you rock forward on the right, recover the weight on that back left foot, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. So the left foot becomes your pivot point and your right foot will move forwards and backwards as you're rocking. Step forward on that right, on your toes, pivot yourself a quarter turn to your left. Your weight should end up back on that left foot. Stomp the right beside the left and hold. That last little section, right foot leading into a rocking chair. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, stomp, hold. Let's add that to the first section. Stomp, fans off on the right foot. 7, 8, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Rocking chair, step, pivot, stomp, hold. Go to the slow chassé. So travelling to the right, right foot's leading. So step the right to the side, feet together, right to the side, touch the left beside the right. No weight on that left foot, we're moving off on the left, doing exactly the same now, going left. So step the left to the side, feet together, left to the side, touch the right. So that's 2 slow chassés. Do that section once more. Off on the right foot to the right. 7, 8. Side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. Let's add that to the rest of the dance. From the top. Stomp, fans off on the right foot. 7, 8. Stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, stomp, hold. Side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. Travelling backwards now. Right foot, there's no weight on it, so we're moving off on the right. Step it diagonally back to that right corner. Touch the left beside the right. Step the left diagonally back. Touch the right beside the left. A slow coaster step. So step the right back, bring the feet together, step the right forward. And just to finish the dance, we put another step on the end. So that last section, off on that right foot, diagonally back. 7, 8, back, touch, coaster step, back, close, step, and another step to finish. So let's add that to the top. That is the end of the dance. Stomp, fans off on the right foot. 7, 8. Stomp, fan, fan, fan. Stomp, fan, fan, fan. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, stomp, hold. Side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, back, touch, coaster, step, step. So that's your dance. Now the music is a little bit faster. So I'm going to do the front wall once more, slightly faster speed, and carry on round the next 3 walls. Off on the right, stomp fans. 7, 8, stomp fan, 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 stomp fan, fan, fan. Rocking chair, step, pivot, stomp. Side close, side touch, side close, side touch, back touch, coaster, step, step, stomp fan, 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 stomp fan, fan, fan. Rocking chair, step, pivot, stomp. Side close, side touch, side close, side touch, back touch, coaster, step, step, stomp fan, 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 stomp fan, 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 rocking chair, step, pivot, stomp. Side close, side touch, side close, side touch, back close, step, step, stomp fan, 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 stomp fan, 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 rocking chair, step, pivot, stomp. Side close, side touch, side close, side touch, back touch, coaster, step, step. And you just keep going. So that's your dancing you walk through. Let's give it a go to some music. 5, 6, 7,
Those dark days we couldn't wait till we got paid. St. George Washington, we should have saved. On to the beer, saw the folk, Spanish girls around. It is easy to be country town. That sky was neon fire, we were burning it down. Left those honky tonks and ashes on the ground. It was the best damn Friday night around. In this used to be country town. You cut your spoons, tip your head, smile and wink, tell a joke, light my smoke, and buy the drinks, spend the whole night on the dance floor, spinning round and round and round. In this used to be a country town. That sky was neon fire, we were burning it down. Left those honky tonks and ashes on the ground. It was the best damn Friday night around. In this used to be country town. Oh. That sky was neon fire, we were burning it down. Left those honky tonks and ashes on the ground. It was the best damn Friday night around. In this used to be a country town. It was the best damn Friday night around. In this used to be country town.
Well done. Hope you got that one.